Hi everybody, we are gonna be going to the bar battle soon. Oh, can you guys see my hair? Through the mirror right there. Anyways, I'm just waiting. I just finished getting ready. I'm just waiting for the guys. We're gonna go to the bar battle and see how it is. Well, we've been to bar battles here in Vegas, but let's see. Oh, and then we're gonna go to the hair show too. But I think the hair show we're going to tell tomorrow, not today. Can we talk about my nails? Look how pretty they are. I just love them. She always does a good job. So we're finally leaving because these guys were lagging. So we're going to the barber battle.
Brewski in my hand all day, every day.
It is 100 degrees.
Al frente de la barra estaba bailando.
But only for second, third.
The right. Oh, it almost dropped. To the hair show because we just finished eating. The food was alright. Huh.
So, tell me how cute those girls are up there.
They're pretty.
I would marry one of them.
Yeah.
I would marry one of them.
I got this.
5 minutes and 40 seconds left. 5 minutes, 40 seconds left.
Basically, the hardest. You're in barber college, beauty school, and you're coming and competing against a bunch of hitters who come from all over the world. Sometimes the competitions don't fill up, but I still do them, and I added a second one because I try to encourage students to get that fear out of them. People hit me up and they're like, Louie, I want to get sponsored to moto. I go, hey, have you ever competed? I'm sorry, it's been a long day.
Hi everybody, it's the next day to the IBS Las Vegas hair show. Yeah. Everybody, Dyson right here. This is what I came mainly for. This right here. Huh? I got what I wanted. This is what I came for. The Dyson blow dryer. We just left the hair show. So I bought the blow dryer and my clips I came for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Remember, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe because I will be having more vlogs for you guys to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Thank you. Bye.